Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 8th, and it is a rather cold, at least cold for Arizona morning. We will be doing a little walk around video and a cold start video of this 1949 Christopher Lawrence built Bentley Special. Christopher Lawrence was a Le Mans winning race car driver in the 1970s and 80s. It is believed he built between 35 and 40 Bentley Mark VI Specials. This is, however, the very last one built. It is 46 degrees outside, 50 degrees inside. The car has not been started for several days. As you can see, the engine is only 47 degrees. 47 degrees. It is a cold motor. Because the car has sat for several days, I'm going to begin by priming the carburetors. We do that by depressing the tickler button a few times on each carburetor. And it should be ready to go now. Starting is easy. I turn the ignition on, turn the main toggle on. Now push the button. And there you go. She fires right up from cold in this 47-degree weather. Gauges show good strong oil pressure. The alternator or generator's putting out current. Tachometer works. Here we can see the beautiful Connolly leather front and rear seats. I did have a bit of a surprise the first time I drove this car. I made a fast stop, and this drawer slid out from underneath the passenger seat. That is a flask with 4 shot glasses and a fire extinguisher. The flask, you can shake it, you can hear there's something in it. I've never opened it, I've never sampled it. It's probably 45-year-old whiskey. The car does have storage under the rear seat.